In this video, we're going to look at the equations of parallel lines. Now, one of the key things we need to remember is that parallel lines have the same gradient. So parallel lines have equal gradients. Key component for this. So let's have a look at this question. Find the equation of a line that is parallel to the line y equals 4x minus 3 and passes through the point 3 and 2. So we can say, well, the gradient for the original equation, m, is the value in front of x, which is 4. So this gradient, because it's parallel, cannot change. So I can say, well, it passes through the coordinate 3 and 2, so x is 3 and y equals to 2. So let's write these down. M equals 4, x equals 3, y equals 2. So now we're going to use the equation y equals mx plus c. So y in our case is 2. M is the same gradient, which is 4 because it's a parallel line, multiplied by the x coordinate, which is 3, plus c. Now 2 equals to 4 times 3, which is 12, plus c. Then we're going to minus 12 on both sides of the equation. 2 take away 12 is minus 10. So therefore, our equation in the form y equals mx plus c is therefore y equals to 4x minus 10. So if we notice, the gradient hasn't changed. The only thing that's different is the y-intercept. So the gradient will always be the same for a parallel line, except the only thing that's different is the y-intercept. Here's a question for you to try. You can pause the video, and when you're done, you can go through my work solution. Okay, welcome back. This question says, find the equation of a line that is parallel to the line 2x plus y equals 1 and passes through the point 1 and minus 4. Now, the first thing we need to notice in this question is the equation of the line is a problem. 2x plus y equals 1. That doesn't look like the format that we want. Y equals mx plus c. But what we can do, we can change the subject of the formula, making y the subject. Meaning I'm going to take away 2x on this side, take away 2x on this side. So we get y equals to 1 minus 2x. Another way of writing this is minus 2x plus 1. Now that's in the format of y equals mx plus c. So we can say, right, it's a parallel. We want an equation of the parallel line. So the gradient is unchanged, where the gradient is minus 2. And the corresponding x coordinate is 1 and the corresponding y coordinate is minus 4. So we could write that down. X is 1, y equals minus 4. So now when we work that out, we can say y equals to mx plus c, y equals to minus 4. Now m is minus 2, the x coordinate is 1, and we're always trying to work out c. So minus 4 equals to minus 2 plus c. So I'm going to add 2 on both sides of the equation. So c equals to minus 4 plus 2 is minus 2. So therefore, the final equation we want is the gradient was minus 2, because it's a parallel line, so the gradient's unchanged, minus 2x, and c is minus 2. So that's what we get for our equation.